first grade. I hope you are having a great Monday. Today, I have two shapes. Look at these two shapes. I want you to tell me what you notice. What do you notice about these two shapes? I've got this one. And I've got this one. What do you notice about these two shapes? Yes, this one is orange and this one is yellow. This one is a square and this one is something else. Did you notice that this one is flat and this one is not flat? Yep. This week we're going to be talking about shapes that are not flat. A couple of weeks ago we talked about 2D shapes. 2D shapes are flat. 3D shapes are not flat. They are solid. That's why they are called 3D solids, because they have shape all the way around. Are you ready to go learn about these shapes? Let's go. Today in math, we will identify three-dimensional shapes. How will we do this? We will sort and label shapes based on their attributes. Why? Because it's important to be able to identify different shapes. Our first vocabulary word is one we had before, attributes. Say attributes. An attribute is a quality, feature, trait, or characteristic of someone or something. 3D solids. Say 3D solids. 3D solids are shapes that are not flat. A solid figure, object, or shape that has 3 dimensions. It has length, width, and height. Here are some examples. There's a cone, a cube, a rectangular prism, a cylinder, and a sphere. Classify. Say classify. Classify is to organize something by their attributes. So we can classify these shapes because they are flat. They are 2D shapes. And these shapes we can put in a group because they are not flat. They are 3D shapes. Today at home, you are going to drag the shapes to the correct category. Let me show you how. You're going to sort them into 2 categories. You get to decide what the category is. So if you want orange shapes over here, great. If you want pointy shapes over here and round shapes over here, great. If you want 2D shapes over here and 3D shapes over here, oh, that's not a 3D shape. A 3D shape over here, that's great. You have to use the pen to write in the box and tell me what the category is. How did you sort these shapes? And on the next page, you'll also use the pen to tell me how you sorted the shapes and solids. How did you sort them? Now, if you are at school, you're in for a special treat. You're going to get a worksheet. You're going to get to cut and paste the shapes and sort them. What did you learn today? You learned attributes, again, a quality, feature, trait, or characteristic of someone or something. All of these flowers have the attribute that they are flowers, that they are living things, that they are red. 3D solids. You learned that 3D solids are shapes that are not flat, like a cone, a cube, a rectangular prism, a cylinder, and a sphere. You also learned classify. That is to organize by attributes. So that's what you're doing on your independent practice today. You're going to sort the shapes by their attributes, but you have to decide how you're going to sort them. So for your extra practice today, here is a wonderful Jack Hartman video on 3D shapes. Then you have your extra math, your iStation math, and the rest of your math stations from your teacher. So that's all I have for today. Everybody have a great day. Bye.